The 5-minute exhortation to people.
Usa ka mapula ug malikawas nung pagbati kaninyong tanan. Congratulations sa tanang nilampos karong hapuna. Mabuhi ang kabataang estudyante, mabuhi ang mga eskular ng bayan, mabuhi ang pag-asa ng bayan, mabuhi ang katawang Pilipino. Today, we celebrate the 4 or more years of being part of the long struggle in pushing for our rights and welfare, and the victories we reap through our unified call for the additional budget to state universities and colleges during the budget cut issue in 2010, the ouster of our undemocratic dean in 2011, and the improvement of facilities and equipment in our university with our ever-supportive Dean Coro. We also struggle to survive UP despite the high tuition rate and the existence of various fees which put into question the public character of the National University. Today, we leave the gates of our beloved university and go forth into another chapter of life. But as scholars ng bayan, our journey does not end in the four wall of this academe. We continue to be students of Philippine society. As we end our struggles as students of the University of the People, we face a more challenging struggle. The crisis of Philippine society worsens as the unemployment rate of our country rose to an unprecedented level. And the Filipino people are suffering from the neoliberal policies of deregulation, trade liberalization, and privatization. The academic calendar shift is one of the manifestations of this policy, which was intended to prioritize the interest of other nations instead of addressing the internal problems of our educational system. The shortage crisis of schools was left unaddressed amidst the controversial pork barrel scam, which exposed Tanda, Pogi is Sexy, and the others to be misallocating the taxpayers' money to serve their own selfish interests. While the labor sector continues to experience dismal conditions with only minimal wages and a daily threat of losing the job because of contractualization. Ang aklat na isang tunay na mag-aaral ay ang kanyang lipunang ginagalawan. Ang kanyang guro ay ang mamamayan at ang kanyang pagsusulit ay pagsasagawa ng magbabalayang pagkilos. We are on a crossroad. Two choices lie ahead of us. One road leads to actively participation in realizing a national liberation and democracy for our country. And the other leads to the perpetuation of the status quo, a society that is founded on exploitation, oppression, and injustice. It is in these trying times that our country needs us most. Let us continue to be vigilant. History is ripe with lessons that the gains of the students and the people are won through determined and collective actions. To do this, we need to link with the majority of the Filipino people, the workers and the peasants. We harbor no illusions that the middle class alone can effect genuine change in our society. We share our hard-earned supply with the Filipino people. We also offer our supply to Cristel Tejada and the Filipino youth who are victims of state abandonment and were deprived of their right to quality and accessible education. We may have earned our degree, but that does not mean that our mandate as scholars ng bayan is over. On this day, we also pledge to continue living up to the essence of a true scholar ng bayan, mga tunay na pag-asa ng bayan. We pledge to be relevant and significant in effecting change in our society. We commit to upholding UP's tradition of honor and excellence in the service of the people. Excellence is empty without honor, and genuine honor lies in selflessly serving the people. Malayong lupain, amin mang marating, di rin magbabago ang damdamin. The future belongs to the young. Along with the Filipino masses, we will shape a better future for us and for the people. We must go beyond our personal ambitions and interests. Ating ialay ang ating husay at talino para sa paglilingkod sa sambayanan. Humayog itanghal, giting at tapang, mabuhay ang pag-asa ng bayan. Mainitong pagbati sa tanang Milampos, mga eskolar ng bayan, atong ihalad ang atong kaalam, ang atong katapos, alam sa nasod ng Pilipino, para sa tunay na demokrasya ug kagawasan. Mabuhi kita nga pag-asa ng bayan, mga kabataan, mga kabayan. Mubalik kita aron pagserbisyo sa nasod, aron pagserbisyo sa katawan. Mabuhi mga eskolar ng bayan.
Let us all rise for the